GRYP stock analysis and predictions in this very brief and short 1-minute video. I'm going to show you my exact play and how I'm going to do all these things with Gryphon Digital Mining. I mean, it's a decent 2.5% correction. This is how my chart's actually looking like. And all I have to say is I'm open-minded for longs. Now, as the guy with the most videos ever documented like this with 40,000 videos over 5 years, I have seen what's making me money and what's not. And unironically here, the only thing that I would care about is the price giving me the double break and then me buying. Because if that does not happen, then I'm not quite going to buy. You can see it came down, it mitigated my demand zone. So all that there's left is this second pull down and then a break above it, right? Which I do think that that's exactly what I'll be waiting the whole tomorrow. Now it's kind of late, of course, but yeah, I'm very excited about this, definitely waiting. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. It's free.